Profiting in intraday trading, also known as day trading, requires a disciplined approach, risk management, and quick decision making due to the short time frame. Here's a concise guide. Education. Understand the basics of stock markets, technical analysis, and market indicators. Continuous learning is essential. Research. Analyze stocks thoroughly before trading. Look for patterns, trends, and news that could affect their prices. Strategy. Develop a clear intraday trading strategy based on technical indicators, price movements, and volume trends. Risk management. Set a strict stop loss to limit potential losses. Only invest a small portion of your capital in each trade. Entry and exit points. Identify entry and exit points before trading. Stick to your strategy and avoid emotional decisions. Liquidity. Choose highly liquid stocks to ensure easy buying and selling. Limit orders. Use limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, preventing unexpected price fluctuations. Time management. Allocate specific hours for trading and follow your plan rigorously. Stay updated. Monitor market news, economic indicators, and company announcements during the trading day. Practice. Consider using paper trading or virtual platforms to practice your strategies before investing real money. Control emotions. Emotions can lead to impulsive decisions. Stay calm and rational while making trading choices. Book profits. If a trade turns profitable as per your plan, consider booking profits to secure gains. Stop trading after losses. If you incur multiple losses, consider stopping trading for the day to avoid further losses. Review and learn. At the end of the day, review your trades, both profitable and losing ones, to learn from your experiences.